The ODCA work groups bring together experts in different areas and facets of cloud computing. The benefit of participating in an ODCA work group is that you have a chance to collaborate with thought leaders from around the world on the latest and greatest issues in cloud computing. Additionally, those work groups put together white papers and usage models that help influence the industry to make it easier to adopt cloud computing. And by being part of this, you not only get to learn yourself, but you get to shape where the industry is going. And I think that's where the ODCA is spending a lot of time. We have work groups that are working on hybrid cloud management systems. We have work groups that are working on regulatory and data protection issues, which continue to be an important issue and will only be more important as 2016 unfolds. We have work groups that are working on the financial models and the best practices in terms of where companies are in their cloud maturation. We have a cloud maturity model that helps companies benchmark where they are in their own cloud evolution. And then finally, we are always looking at what's next for 2017. I think the space is moving so rapidly and so fast that we really have these leaders come together, and it's exciting to see where it goes from there.
One is the chance to interact with your fellow travelers as well as vendors, maybe who are your vendors already or who could be your vendors in the future, in an environment where you can exchange best practices, you can exchange the knowledge of the problems you've had and share solutions. We find that it's very unusual for organizations to be able to do this outside of the ODCA, because almost always if you're meeting with a vendor, they're trying to sell you something. And we very specifically exclude vendors from making sales attempts while they are actually participating in ODCA.
Or three reasons I could give to why you should be involved in the ODCA. One is it's an independent organization, so it's a non-profit organization which doesn't have making money as a key objective, so it's impartial. I think the second is you tap into a global organization that drives and delivers great value from a content perspective. So there are 88 documents you can directly access in the cloud space or in the data center space. And thirdly, we invite any participants to contribute. So if you had some real great knowledge, thought leadership, or you're passionate about certain content, or you want to simply engage and collaborate, what have I gained from the participation? So I'm the chief architect for Capgemini Infra, and for me there are three key things that I find really important for me. First, ODCA is an independent body, so that means that I can connect freely with IT organizations, but also partners and vendors, to gain insights into material, thought leadership, and direction of travel for technology. I think secondly, it enables me to contribute, so to provide thought leadership into the ODCA, which then inadvertently will drive that into the market. And thirdly, I think it's shaping the future of IT, and its future within the client context, the future within the cloud context, and the future within a technology context.